In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to make comics in Bitstrips. To get started, you're going to click Login at the top, and your teacher is going to give you your classroom code. Once you put your code in there, you'll be able to access your name and put in your password. Today what we're looking for is what happens when you get into a conflict. How do you get out of that conflict, and what are some good ways to solve the problem? In the activity, once you're logged in, you're going to click on Activities at the top, and the activity conflict will come up. If you look at the activity together, we can see the student instructions. The instructions are, have you ever had a conflict with someone? How did you solve it? Today's activity will allow you to choose a conflict or a problem. You will then solve the problem in 8 boxes. Each box must have full sentences and include conversation. Some examples of conflicts or problems may include getting lost, arguing with your brother or sister, someone gave you the wrong order of food, or someone jumped on you in front of the line, or you can use your own example. Just make sure that it comes to a good ending. When you're ready to get started at the bottom, this is the blank screen, and you'll be able to, as a student view, get started with the comic. Here's some examples of the comics that we made before. This is Evan's comic, where someone was arguing with her whether the Rockets are a good team or not, and they thought the Lakers was better. So in a whole bunch of steps, she solved that conflict through conversation. Once you've actually made your comic, it'd be a great idea to match up with a partner and discuss how your conflict was and how it ended. In the computer lab, you'll work with other groups, as my students have done in the past here. Alright, get going and happy comic making.